We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT Advanced Voice Mode. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video first. Open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the settings icon usually located in lower left corner of the page. Click on it and navigate to the general section here. You will find the option for voice mode. You need to enable this feature by toggling the switch next to it. Now, once voice mode is activated, you should see a microphone icon appear on your chat interface. Click on the microphone icon to start using voice commands. Say your query or command clearly into your device's microphone. The system will process your voice input and provide a text response on the screen. If you want to stop the voice input, simply click the microphone icon again. For best results, make sure your microphone is working properly and your browser has permissions to use it. You can also adjust the voice settings to change language preferences or voice speed, which can be found in the same voice mode section under settings. If you encounter any issues, try refreshing the page or checking your internet connection. This feature is a great way to interact with ChatGPT hands-free and can be particularly useful if you're multitasking or just prefer speaking over typing. Explore the different voice commands available and see how it enhances your experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.